Hi, Choo Choo here with another Binx Quickie. So, I go from streams to stream a lot, talking to people, listening. A lot of listening more than anything. And I hear this statement. I applied for Binx Partner and they, they'll never accept me. Or they, anyway, we're going to get down to the nitty gritty. Okay? Let me turn this thing on here. Okay. This is a statement. Because I asked him, well, did you read the tips? Yes, and I've done all that. Mm-hmm. I can show you proof where you haven't. Anyway, once a streamer has grown and or demonstrated community commitment, they'll eventually make partner. Okay. So there's tips here, and there's several things they want you to do is help get the word out. They want 3 links on your page. Store referral, donation, invitation. And they give you several ways you can get that done. It says get social with us, and they give you all the places to do that. That's in your stream thing. It's right here, right down here. Visit stream featured streamer from the Binx homepage. It didn't say A. Okay. Interact with their chat and know the community. Okay. So we're going to go over there and we're going to look at that because that is the most important thing. That is this demonstration up here of community. So let's get back down to the end here. Oh, there's a deeper end. Binx homepage. That's here. Featured streamer rater. That's the one they want you to click on, but that's not what I'm going to show you. I'm going to come over here to community, because that was also discussed in there, and they have leaderboards. So people tell me, oh, I've done all that. But I come over here to networkers, and I click all time, and their name isn't on here. Mine is. There's mine. And other people, and a lot of these are partners. But you got this month's. If you are working it, your name should be here. If you're working these raids over here on this homepage, you should be climbing this board. And if you're climbing this board, you're going to get noticed. And if you start winding up over here, you're going to get noticed. And that is how they know you're participating in the community. Because when you type Binx Raid into those chat rooms and you start talking with these streamers and you win this Binx card giveaway and you win the top chatter cards, you are participating in the community. And you are, oops, well, you're going to earn all this stuff to get these. Let me get back to the community leaderboards. And you are showing up over here. You're going to get noticed, and they notice it. It's all registered, recorded, and so when I hear the whining and I come over here and I look and I don't see, and I go, yeah, you've done everything. That's also how they look. So that's how you do it.